Did you know that over 90% of communication is nonverbal? Yep, that means most of what you're saying to her doesn't even come from your mouth. Crazy, right? Well, today we're going to break down 10 subtle body language secrets that make women instantly attracted to you. No cheesy pickup lines, just pure science-backed attraction. Let's get started. But here's the thing, guys. Most men don't even realize they're giving off the wrong signals, even when they're saying all the right things. If you've ever wondered why she wasn't interested despite your best effort, your body language could be the missing piece. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have 10 easy-to-master moves that will have her subconsciously drawn to you. Let's dive right in. Secret number 1, the power of eye contact. We're starting with the big one, eye contact. Did you know that maintaining strong eye contact can actually release chemicals in the brain that make her feel more connected to you? It's called oxytocin, the bonding hormone. But here's the trick. It's not just about staring her down. It's about holding her gaze for a moment longer than usual and then breaking it away slowly. It's that balance between confidence and mystery that keeps her intrigued. Hold her gaze like you have nothing to hide, but then look away just before it gets uncomfortable. This subtle move sends signals of confidence, security, and a touch of playfulness. Secret number 2, open body posture. Ever notice how people naturally feel more drawn to those who seem open and approachable? This is no coincidence. When you sit or stand with an open posture, meaning your arms aren't crossed, your shoulders are back, and your chest is open, you're sending a clear message. I'm comfortable, confident, and ready to engage. Women are instinctively attracted to men who appear relaxed and in control of their space. Think about it. Would you feel invited to talk to someone who's closed off and tense? Probably not. So next time you're around her, let your body show that you're at ease. Stand tall, avoid defensive positions, and let your confidence do the talking. Secret number 3, mirroring. This one is subtle, but incredibly powerful. When you mirror someone's body language, you're essentially telling their subconscious mind, we're on the same wavelength. It creates a sense of connection and understanding without saying a word. If she leans in, you lean in slightly. If she crosses her legs, you might cross your arms in a casual way. But here's the key. Don't make it obvious. It needs to feel natural. Over time, as you sync up, she'll start to feel like you just get her. It's psychology 101, but most guys don't even realize they can use it to their advantage. Secret number 4, the slow movements trick. Here's a little known fact. Fast, jerky movements make you look nervous and unsure. Women are drawn to men who appear calm and collected, and you can convey that through the way you move. Slow down your gestures. When you reach for something, do it deliberately. When you walk, do it with purpose. Slower movements give off the impression that you're in control of your environment and not in a rush to prove anything. This is the body language of a man who's confident in himself and doesn't need to seek approval. And trust me, that's incredibly attractive. Secret number 5, the subtle touch. Now, this one can be a game changer, but you've got to be smooth with it. I'm not talking about being overly touchy or invading her personal space. Absolutely not. What I'm talking about is a brief, light touch on the arm or shoulder at the right moment. Science shows that touch increases attraction and helps build a connection, but timing is everything. For example, when you're sharing a laugh or making a point, a quick, subtle touch reinforces the bond. The key is to keep it casual and non-intrusive. When done right, it signals warmth and trust without overstepping boundaries. Secret number 6, the confident walk. You can tell a lot about someone just by the way they walk. Women are naturally drawn to men who walk with purpose and confidence. It's about standing tall, shoulders back, head up, and walking as if you own the space around you. Your walk speaks volumes about your self-assurance. So next time you're walking into a room or meeting someone new, be mindful of how you carry yourself. A slow, confident stride shows you're comfortable in your own skin, and women pick up on that immediately. Secret number 7, smile like you mean it. Smiling is an easy way to show warmth and friendliness, but there's a difference between a forced, awkward smile and one that feels genuine. Women are incredibly attuned to this. A real smile, one that reaches your eyes, makes you more approachable and attractive. When you smile naturally, you trigger something called mirror neurons in her brain, which makes her feel like smiling too. And you know what they say, a smile is contagious. Plus, a genuine smile makes you seem confident and happy, 2 traits that women find irresistible. Secret number 8, the lean in. Leaning in slightly during a conversation signals that you're engaged and interested in what she's saying. But, and this is crucial, it's important to balance it with leaning back to create some space now and then. The lean in works because it draws her in, but pulling back occasionally keeps the dynamic playful and leaves her wanting more. This push-pull effect builds intrigue and makes the conversation feel more intimate, all without making things too intense. Secret number 9, the tilted head. This is one of the most subtle yet effective ways to show that you're attentive and interested. When you tilt your head slightly while she's talking, it signals curiosity and engagement. It's a non-verbal cue that says, "I'm listening to you," which makes her feel valued. Women are attracted to men who show genuine interest, and this small gesture can make a huge difference in how she perceives you. Secret number 10, own your space. Finally, let's talk about one of the biggest signs of confidence, owning your space. When you sit or stand, don't shrink yourself. Take up room in a natural way. This isn't about being aggressive or domineering. It's about showing that you're comfortable and confident in your surroundings. Spread your arms a bit, sit back, and relax. This signals that you're in control and that you're not afraid to take up space in the world. Women are drawn to men who seem comfortable in their own skin and aren't afraid to command attention. So, there you have it. 10 body language secrets that can make you instantly more attractive to women. And the best part? These aren't tricks that you have to force. They're simple shifts in how you carry yourself. Try implementing just a few of these tips, and you'll start to notice how differently people respond to you. Not just women, but everyone around you. Now, I want you to comment below which of these body language tips you're going to try out first. If you want to level up in life, comment below, "I am a high-value man." And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Gods be with you.